Hello and welcome to Origami with Miss Cynthia. Today I have a really cute and fun bookmark that we're going to create together. It's a little ballerina bookmark. Now don't forget to come and check us out at the Buckeye Public Library system. Check out our website for our most up-to-date hours at www.buckeyeaz.gov/library. Now let's get started for this fun ballerina bookmark. The supplies you will need are one 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, a pair of scissors, some coloring supplies, glue, and a few pieces of scrap paper in the sizes of 3x3 or 4x4 is a good size. All right, you guys, so once you selected the piece of paper that you want to work with, now remember this is going to be the ballerina skirt that we're going to create, which is going to be the main part of our bookmark. So go ahead and grab your sheet of paper and bring one corner downward into a triangle shape. And we're going to cut off this side piece there, that big tall rectangle off. Just like this. And I'm going to flip my triangle so that the point faces upward, and the left and the right point, go ahead and bring it upward so the 2 points align at the very top. This is my other point, and we crease. All right, so I'm going to bring my flaps back down. Now my openings are on the top, okay, so the tip of this will come downward to the edge of this. I'm going to crease that portion there. Now my left and my right will come back up to the top. Let me do one at a time. But then I'm going to fold it down so it aligns to that bottom portion. But this step works just because we're going to open it back up and tuck it inside. So this crease right here, when we do that, it really just helps for us to snuggle back that corner into the pocket that we're trying to create here for the bookmark. All right, so we're going to do this again to the left side. Go ahead and bring this point back up to the top. This point will come downward. And we crease, and then we're going to open it back up, and then we're just going to tuck it in. Into our little pocket there, okay? Make sure it's nice and creased and flat. Now this portion you can go ahead and cut off. What I'm going to do is go ahead and just crease it like we did the other one, so there are two flaps, and we're going to tuck it in. But then again, you can also cut it off if you'd like. I'm just going to tuck that all the way in. And this is our base for our bookmarks that we're wanting to do. Okay, this is our little pocket. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to face this triangle so the point is facing upward. And I'm just going to cut that point off. This will be our waistline for our cute little ballerina we're creating. Now this is the ballerina skirt, so if you want to put designs on here, add glitter, color to it, stickers, whatever, if you want to bedazzle it, this is the time to do that. But I'm going to go ahead and set that aside. And what I have is, all you need is just different colors of scrap paper that you have laying around. You're going to cut out a little, this is a little shirt that I did for her. This is the base to my body. I traced a water bottle cap for my head. This will be my legs. And I haven't cut her hair out, but I just brought in this little piece of brown paper for her hair. When we're ready to give her a nice little cute haircut, we can use this. Okay, so let's put her all together. So let's start with her shirt. I'm just going to glue this down. So let me do a little dab of glue on her shirt and glue that down like this. All right, and then this will be her legs. I know they look really long, but I cut that a little long just so it gives me some space to glue it all together. I'm just gonna glue that there. You know what, before I glue that down, I'm gonna bring over my skirt because I want to make sure her legs are going to stick out. Let me scoot this down a little bit. Okay, that should be good. And then we're going to paste her head just like that. There's her little head. All right, and now for her hair. Okay, so let's try this. We're gonna put this here, and what I started to do is I just put her over that scrap piece of paper that I want, and I started tracing her head just so we know how much hair she needs. Okay, I do know I want her to have a bun, so I'm going to do a little circle, and then I'm just going to cut that out. I'm just going to do it straight at the bottom. But of course, I'm going to go ahead and just give her a cute little cut. Okay, her bangs are a little too long. You see that? So I'm gonna go in and cut her bangs a little bit more. All right, let's see if I'm a good hairstylist. That looks okay. That looks cute, right? All right, and then we're going to cut her little bun. You don't have to do a little bun. I just think it would look cute. Okay. All right, let's jazz up her hair here. Okay, and then her little cute little bun. Just gonna put it right on top. Look at that, that's cute. All right, let me move my little scraps out of the way. All right, before we put her little dress on, I'm going to add some eyes. And let's see, I want her eyes closed. And of course, some lips. All right, and then she does need some shoes. So actually, let me put her together. So let me bring over the skirt. And what I'm going to do is just tuck her in. See how we have this? We're just going to tuck her in like this. Make sure she's good to go. Like this, okay? So what I'm going to do is go ahead and bring her back out. And I'm just going to put glue on her waist. So when we tuck her in, she's going to be all nicely glued to her dress. looks like this. All right, let me finish up her legs. So I'm going to draw a line to separate her legs. And then I want to add some shoes. 2 little curves there. And if you wanted to, you could cut some of the paper that you use for her shirt so her shoes and shirt matches, or whatever you want. Have fun with these cute little ballerinas. I think they're so adorable. Okay. And then just draw some X's there. That's part of her shoes, part of her ballerina shoes. Look how cute that is. And here is your origami ballerina. I hope you have enjoyed this video. We'll see you next week for more origami fun. Bye-bye.